Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clemente Gomez, and today guys I want to show you the way you clean your sensor on the Sony a7 III or the Sony 6400. The one that I have here is the Sony 6400. So I'm gonna show you pretty quick. All you need is just one of these. It's a stick that you pass inside the sensor, and that's the way you clean it. So I'm gonna show it to you now the way I do it. It's real simple, guys. You don't need to go to school for this. Of course, you take out your lens. Never put your finger inside there. Do not never do that, because that's the worst thing you could do. Okay. So you take out this. It's kind of like a pen, it's kind of like a pencil or something. Like all you gotta do, just pass it soft, and then pass it again. It's real soft. And then you could do the same thing from the top all over to the bottom. And if it has any little dirties inside there, this thing is gonna help it to clean it. I like to do it like this, soft like this, to make sure that the sensor of the camera is perfect, nice. Good to go. That's it. Then you put this back. You put your lens back. And you're good to go. That's it. Alright guys, it's real simple what you need to do. It's nothing difficult. Guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's something simple. I just want to upload here so you guys can check it out. This is the Sony 6400, but you could do the same thing with the Sony a7 III or basically with any camera. All you need to do is just buy yourself one of these. They usually cost $5, sometimes less, sometimes more, depends on the brands. You have it for $5, for $10, for even $3. I've seen it for $3. But you need to do this to your camera at least, I would say at least every 2 months. At least every 2 months or every 3 months, clean the sensor of your camera. You don't have to be too afraid to clean the sensor of your camera. It's real simple. Just pass it really slow from the top all over to the bottom, from the bottom to the top, and side to side, and you're good to go. Alright guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff, and see you in the next video. Peace.